Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I'm going to give you a quick tutorial how to transfer your membership on Whop. So as you can see, we already landed in our whop.com and here we have a account. So right now I am going to transfer my membership. So if you go onto the setting, here you have option for membership. So as you can see, we don't have any active Whop member. If I browse, then you can see this is the live stream option. So just click over here and they are asking for a membership. So if you want to transfer this membership, the process is really simple. As you can see, if you read the FAQ section of your specific membership to see if it provides guidance on transferring membership between accounts, you can contact the creator or support team. If the FAQ does not address your situation, contact the membership creator or support team directly. They can provide information on whether a transfer is feasible or outline any necessary steps, or you can consult Whop support. If the creator cannot assist, consider contacting Whop's customer support for further guidance. So the process is really simple. If you love this video and if you think this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.